of today's video is inserting special characters. Now, what is the meaning of a special character? A special character means the characters which are not found on the standard keyboard. Okay, for example, here I have inserted some characters such as dollar and then other so many things, 1/4, 1/2, alpha, beta, these all types of characters if you want to insert. Then what to do? So first thing is place the cursor in your document where you want to insert a special character. Thereafter click on the insert menu. Now before I proceed further, I want to tell you one thing, and that is watch the video from the starting to the end. This video is going to be very interesting and so many new things which could be asked in the practicals and which each and every person using computer should know are taught in this chapter. Fine. So we come to the topic. Place the cursor where you want to insert the special character, then go to the insert menu and from insert menu select special character. So special character dialog box will open. Now from here you have to select the character which you want to insert. Now here so many characters are given. Just have a look at the characters. Numerous characters are given here. Okay, so you'll have to find the character which you want to insert. Next step is you have to give a single click on the character. As soon as you give a single click, what will happen? That here in the bottom part of this dialog box, that character will be displayed. Okay, and if I click OK, it will be inserted. Now suppose if you want to insert few more characters, then you have to give a single click on each character and then click OK. So those many characters will get inserted. Another thing is, suppose after just selecting the character, if you press the enter key or I give a double click here, then that character will get inserted, and after that the dialog box will get closed. So you have to choose which technique to be used. Now another thing here is, here this is a type of serif characters, but if you want to insert Bengali characters, right, then that also you get from this option. If you want to insert Gujarati characters, then all the alphabets you will get from here. So from here you can select which type of font you want to use, and from here you can even select the subcategory or subset. For example, Devanagari Lipi, then that could be selected and the character could be inserted. Now the second topic for today's video is formatting paragraphs. Now first of all I will select this paragraph and copy it for 3 times. Copy and paste it for 3 times. Thereafter I will make the changes in the format of each paragraph and explain you the thing. So how to select the paragraph? Clicking 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the paragraph got selected. Now right click and copy or Ctrl C, whatever you feel better. I come here and I paste this paragraph. Once again I paste this paragraph. So here I get this paragraph for 4 times. The same paragraph is repeated for 4 times. Now the first thing which I am going to teach you is simple, and then I am going to go to complex, which you do not know at all. Fine. Now first thing, very simple thing is to change the alignment of the paragraph. Here is given the alignment tab. So by default it is left aligned. So from here this border is adjusted, left hand side border, while this border is not adjusted. Now the second type of alignment is center alignment. So the alignment will change to center. It will get aligned to center. Then third one is align towards right. Generally when we are typing a letter, okay, then our address we type it on the right hand side. We can use this facility of right align. And last one is justify. Now by clicking here on this last toolbar, that is justify, the paragraph will get aligned from both the sides, right hand side as well as left hand side. So these were the normal things which you all knew. Now something new I am teaching you. First I select all the 4 paragraphs. Okay, after selecting it, I give a right click and then I select the paragraph option. So paragraph dialog box will open. Now here the first thing is setting the indentation. Means if I want to leave any space on the left hand side or right hand side before or after the paragraph, then that I could set from here. That I am not going to set just now. Then especially for one line also I can set. Another thing, above and below the paragraph, if I want to leave space, I can specify it in points. I keep 12 okay, before and after, and then I click OK. Now just see, now the paragraph looks decent because there is space before and after the paragraph. Fine. Now I will come to the indentation. I select this paragraph. The shortcut key of indentation is given here. You can adjust the indent. Indents means space before the paragraph. I click 1. So here this much space will be left. So this is setting the indent. Fine. Now we come to first line indent. For that I select the paragraph, last paragraph. I go to paragraph option and then I select first line indent. Then only first line will start after a few points. Just see. Okay, the point is very less, so it didn't show you much difference. I will increase that thing. Now first line. Okay, I keep the indent 22. So here you can see this thing. Fine. Now the formatting which you can see in the printed material, for example your textbook, okay, that could be adjusted from here. That is the spacing between the line spacing. It's single by default. You can make it 1.5, which will give a very decent looks, right? And readability will increase. So these all things could be adjusted from the paragraph dialog box. Now I select this paragraph, right click and paragraph. Fine. Now there are different tabs given here. For example, alignment, text flow, which is not there in the course, so I am not teaching. Tabs, drop cap. This I would like to explain you just now. Drop cap and background. Now if I want to fill light blue color in the background, I can select it from here and click OK. So that paragraph will have this color in the background. Fine. Now I come to the first paragraph. Now I select the first character. Then I go to the paragraph menu and I select drop cap. Display drop cap. Okay. Number of lines 3, number of characters 1, and OK. So you can see, like the olden books, the first character will be displayed in bigger size, covering 3 lines. So this was something about the paragraph. There are so many sub options, but at present this much knowledge is enough for you people. Now the topic which we are going to learn is numbered and bulleted lists. Now you all are familiar with list. Fine. Suppose I want to create a list of students. Then I have to type the names. After typing a name, I have to press the enter key. Okay, thereafter I have to select this names, and then here is the toolbar to insert the numbering. So I click here, so the numbering will get inserted. Another technique of creating the list is I have to type 1, then I have to press the tab key, and then I have to type the name. Now the numbers will come on its own. So both the ways you can create a numbered list. Now another thing regarding numbered list is, for example, if you want to leave space in between these two things, then you can adjust the space from here. You can see the space between the names and the numbers could be adjusted from here. Another thing is, if you want to create a list of children studying in specific class, that is, you want to add roll numbers, and if the roll number is starting from 9401, then how to change the sequence? So for that you have to give a right click here, and after giving the right click, from here you have to select numbering and bullets. So this dialog box will open. Remember this thing, it could be asked in the MCQs also. Now you have to go to options. Okay, there are 6 tabs given here: bullets, numbering type, outline, graphics, position and options. You have to go to options, and from here you have to select the starting value. For example, I want to start from 9401, so I type it here and I click OK. So you can see the list will start from that specific number. Fine. Now next thing in this thing only is that if you want to give the ranking, that is first, second and third, then how to give? I have typed here 5 names and I want to give first, second, third, fourth, fifth. For that you have to select this thing, go to the same options, numbering and bullets. Okay, and from here you have to select this option. Where is this option given? It's given in numbering type. From there you have to select Roman letters. You get both the options, capital and small. Besides you get the other options such as ABCD, that is also small and big. So that thing you can select from here. I click OK, so it will display me like this way: first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Fine. Now another thing is that if you want to create the sub list, okay, for example, I open a new file, I type here the names of the country. Now here I type the name of the country. Fine, so I have typed the names of 5 different countries. Now I type the names of the states. For example, okay, so I have typed this many names. Now these names are belonging to the sub list. So how to do that? So for that you have to demote one level from here. So you can see that this thing will go inside. Now suppose I want to type the names of the cities. Now this is again one level down, so now you know what to do. You select these many cities and click here, demote one level. Remember this word, it could be asked in the MCQ. So like this way, at present I have given the levels up to 3. Okay, this is first level country, second level state and third level city. You can give these levels up to 10. This is already asked in the MCQs. Okay, you can give up to 10 levels like this way. So this was all about this thing, numbering. Now we come to bullets. Now in place of numbering, if I want to give bullets, then it's given here. So from here I can select 10, give the bullets. Now in bullets also you get so many varieties. Suppose if you don't like these dots, then you can select this thing. Suppose if you like this shape, then, or something else if you want to select, and that also the options are available here. For example, I like this shape, blue color bullets, and that I can select and click OK. So this was all about creating numbered and bullet.